Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Big concerns out there this morning when it comes to fog. I drove in it this morning, so did Shelby. A dense fog out there across much of central Nebraska, and it's not for everybody. The edge of it is just west of Highway 281. Really, places like O'Neill or GI, Hastings, and Albion have very low visibilities at this time, but Kearney's actually looking okay, at least as of the last time I checked, and this is 7 o'clock this morning. Now, farther west, you're fine. Not going to see any fog concerns, but east of that line I told you about, that's where fog is going to be a problem out there this morning, and in some cases, dense fog. So this dense fog advisory goes till 9 a.m. I would not be surprised to get it extended out even longer than that, at least through the middle part of the day, through the noon hour, because I think this is going to be a long-term problem that's going to last through a good chunk of the day today, at least for the morning hours. Again, fog is prevalent this morning, so there's just not much wind to scour it out, and so that's why I think it's going to stick around. Otherwise, low clouds across the eastern half of Nebraska. To the west, though, more sunshine, which means it's going to be a milder day out west with 60s, cooler 30s and lower 40s underneath the clouds and fog. Now, Kearney may end up being warmer than GI and Hastings just because of some sunshine, so there's going to be a very fine dividing line, which makes the forecast extremely difficult because you have to try to figure out where exactly that line is going to be, and it's a matter of just a few miles that can make the difference between a good forecast or a blown forecast. Now tonight, fog could potentially still be around, but I think winds are going to pick up overnight, so the fog shouldn't be as big of a widespread problem, although there could still be some clouds around. Chilly tonight with lows in the 30s, and then tomorrow, that fog should scour out pretty quickly, other than maybe eastern Nebraska may be stuck under that, which could hold temps down just a bit. But I think more sunshine across the area should warm temps up into the 50s and even 60s for most of us, maybe some 40s to the east if those clouds are a little bit thicker. So for today, it's a very fine line. As I said, we have anything from 39 in Central City to as warm as 59 in Broken Bow. It's just all about where you live for today. 60s out west, lots of sunshine. Even here in south central Nebraska, north central Kansas, 39 in Aurora, 40 in GI, 53 degrees in Kearney. I think some sunshine later in the day, if not even early in the day in Kearney. And then look at that, 65 down towards Plainville, Kansas. Now eastern Nebraska, I think you're all stuck under the clouds and the fog today. So 30s to lower 40s, maybe mid 40s around Belleville, Kansas. Now to your extended forecast, which is a roller coaster ride, that's for sure here. 44 today, again, that's an average in the Tri-Cities. I think Kearney will be warmer compared to GI and Hastings. 60 on Tuesday, looks very nice, but then we do drop off for Wednesday and Thursday behind a cold front, temps only in the 30s. 52 on Friday, though, right back up before another drop on Saturday. Snuggle up with your sweetie for Valentine's Day, 30 degrees, back into the upper 40s on Monday. Long-term trends are showing maybe towards about next Tuesday, our next shot of what could be Arctic air on the way and potentially also some snowfall on the way. So winter may make its triumphant return sometime next week. But for the next week, dry conditions throughout for these next 7 days. If you don't mind, the roller coaster ride looks okay out there. So be careful today with that fog in some areas. Could cause some travel problems out there for a good chunk of the day, especially during the morning hours. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great day.